Abhishek, say how you are preparing this dish.
First,
Here.
Huh.
Take it from there.
As well, I'm covering both of you. Say.
See the dish. This is called sattu.
Sattu.
How you are preparing it, Mr. Abhishek Sipani?
First we need to grill onions.
Sorry, Mr.
Then-
Ankan. Don't
then-
disturb it. Your field is to cut the onion. It's over. So you can close. Now, Mr. Abhishek, open.
So nothing. See, first what I have done, I have just dropped a little bit of water
In
the
which?
sattu.
Okay.
Okay. Then after that, see what I am doing. Just to check it out like this. Mixing the water completely.
Sometimes
Only
take this also
Only sattu is there.
No, sattu is there with water.
with pickle. It's the pickle which we are going to use. It's what we
Who
call
are you?
mango pickle. Well, I am the assistant to Mr.
Ah.
Abhishek Sipani
Oh,
for this
Ellen.
needful job.
Okay. Oh, right now it is being prepared.
Yeah.
And it's me, the choreographer. Should be seen, right? It's
Yeah,
me.
no,
See?
the man behind the camera.
Yeah, I'm the cameraman.
Yeah.
Is there?
Yeah.
Okay. Then now it's again Ankan.
Now I will be dropping a little bit of. Mango pickle.
It's not basically the mango pickle. It's the masala of that
Masala.
pickle.
What you are doing?
We are pouring some pickle masala.
Can you show it, please?
Yeah, sure. Now this is what we call mango.
Okay, Mr. Ankan. You can do your job. Okay. Then what you are doing, Mr. Sipani?
क्या हुआ हटा दिया सारा
हाँ?
सब डाल दिया
नहीं मैं तो चुन रहा हूँ.
No Hindi, please. Is live telecast. Live telecast is going.
लाइव टेलीकास्ट
Hmm.
बस हो गया
Hello.
या हेलो
Yeah.
So there was.
कम या
No, don't make it.
Don't
vulgar,
make
man.
vulgar. It's a decent,
I am not making it vulgar.
it's a decent show being.
I know it's a decent.
Ah,
See so much of mangoes, pickles coming
Okay.
out. Come baby, and it has come out.
man, this is not the proper way to describe the delicious food. If
Come
you're
on,
preparing.
yaar.
Man, why you keeping these things? We can eat this. See, it's mango.
It's mango. See,
Okay.
Even your pregnant wife can have this.
Yeah.
Even your wife is pregnant, then she can also take it. If she is pregnant. Mr.
why?
Ankan.
Is there any condition that she won't be pregnant?
I don't know. It depends on Mr. Ankan Sharma, his efforts, how much effort he is putting, how much quantity or capacity he have.
Jay has become nervous, so he went out.
But he'll be there at the time of eating session.
No, this is the fresh lime, cut lime.
Okay.
We're going to use this.
Okay.
Not now.
Not now, but we have just cut it in two pieces to make
Okay.
sure that the seeds within this lime doesn't get inside this sattu,
Okay.
so that
Okay.
it should be tasty. So you can
Okay.
see that there is no seeds available here.
And again I am
And
Yeah,
again we are
the
going to
water.
pour some water in this.
Okay.
Make it little more tasty.
Now you can feel the aroma in the air. Basically, the magic of sattu, what we call the magic of
First
UP,
of all, let
Bihar.
me introduce you from where this sattu belongs to.
Yeah, the history behind sattu.
Sattu is from Bihar.
From?
Bihar. B-I-H-A-R.
And basically the
All
parts
the
basically
worker
from-
type of people used to eat this one.
Yes, it's quite famous among the workers over there.
Oh.
Means they used to get 60 rupees as their day off. So what they do with the 60 rupees? They purchase sattu of 10 rupees.
Wait.
Was the history behind this sattu?
Uh.
Sattu came basically from Bihar and the extraterrestrial areas nearby Bihar.
Mic is to not keep in your hand.
Yeah, it's like UP, Uttar Pradesh,
yeah,
Bihar,
yeah,
Jharkhand,
yeah.
and maybe some parts of West Bengal.
Oh, West Bengal also.
Yeah. So basically, the workers are available in West Bengal only.
Oh, I see.
So
I
they
see.
are quite fond of this sattu thing.
How they will prepare it there? They'll deliver
Now,
it.
We are adding a little bit
Now
of
we are
salt,
adding some little
then
bit of
little bit of
What
red
is
chili.
this?
It's
chili
red
powder, red chili powder,
What you have added actually? Salt and then
red chili powder.
this is for?
This is to get the taste delicious
taste,
one.
The
Oh,
taste. the
okay,
delicious.
delicious.
So what we are discussing?
About the
history
workers?
of-
Yeah, history.
So basically, we can prepare a lot of dishes with sattu.
Okay.
One of this is right.
My question is, the sattu will be prepared and then given, or it will be, how to say, given as a powder itself?
No, Basically, this is basically taken with your food actually, rice.
No, how they'll take us an powder, or they'll take us an like what you now preparing?
No, it is the best thing. It
Oh,
is
you're
the
preparing it.
best. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you can also take it as a shake.
Okay.
Sattu shake is also available in the
Like
market.
milkshake.
Yeah.
Oh.
So it prevent you to get
What you are doing, Mr. Sipani? Without saying you are doing something.
I'm dropping some more amount of pickles.
Now it's time, I think, to pour some lime in this.
Lime.
So this is just make sure that it should get what we can say is
Why are you using exactly the lime? Why can't you use some salt or something like that?
Salt.
lime is basically
Lime gives a
Leaves?
different aroma.
Oh.
not aroma, it's aroma.
Oh, Roma. Okay.
And
Now you can see the change in color.
Oh yeah. Let me see the change in color.
Change in the color.
Yeah, color has been changed a
It's
little.
looking a little bit dark yellow.
Yeah. It's been changed, dude.
So now what we are going to
We didn't
is
continue
add-
our history. History can be continued right now.
No, the history is next part. Why to wear about history when we have the present with us?
Okay, let's see the
So
present.
now it's time to add some onions, the
Onion.
grilled onions.
Why you are adding onion? Why can't you add some vegetable towards it?
No, onion is
See.
something to make this cool.
Oh.
Onion is basically very cool.
Yeah. The next question is Sattu is giving you chillness to your body, or it's giving some hot to your body?
it gives a strength to our
Strength.
body.
No,
Yeah,
basically
We
I'm
will physically
asking.
fit if
I'm
we eat
asking
sattu.
you. Fitness is the second thing. It will make your body chill or hot when you have Sattu.
See,
If we
basically
give our body a chill.
this sattu is basically taken in hot climate areas like in UP, Bihar. And
Okay.
basically, these areas are very hot.
Yeah.
So to prevent the body from get affected by the heat outside, people use
Okay,
stick.
then it means it make your body chill.
Yeah.
It makes your body cool.
Not the body, the stomach.
Stomach. Okay.
And
So now you
we
can
won't
see
be
that-
affected by loo. This is the main thing.
Yeah.
What?
Loo.
What is the loo,
Loo
man?
is basically the heat.
Oh, that's
It-
what. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Fine.
Now I will suggest my master. So don't add so much water that it become a paste.
Okay. You don't like
We don't want it as a paste.
like laddu you want.
Yeah, somehow it's quite good.
Yeah.
So we can add a little bit more onion.
Okay.
Bun gaya?
Yeah. Live telecast is going. Please don't. You can also come and share your thought
If you want to share anything, just
about
share it.
Sattu. You can say. Just come in front of the cam, please, Mister.
After taste,
May I know-
I will say something.
Man, who is he?
I don't know. Better you ask.
Extra guest, you can say.
Oh yeah, the guest who
Guest.
came to test about this thing.
Yeah.
Okay. May I know your name, sir?
Yeah, Ravinder Kumar from Punjab.
You came all the way Punjab for tasting this.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
See what is the opportunity you get here.
Whether it is prepared or it is on the way,
Yeah,
Mr.
it's just on
Sipani.
the way, it's on completion.
Okay. So you can put all your onion towards it.
Yeah.
Let me see the colorful of that, how it is being.
Check my pick.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sure.
He's the master. The
Master.
main chef.
And assistant, Mr. Ankan. And the guest,
We are just
guest
going-
who
we are
came
just
here
going
to
to
test
check-
it.
We are just going to check the taste actually.
Okay,
So
mister.
that we can say it's prepared or not.
Oh, okay. How the taste is, Mr. Ankan
If
Sharma?
anything is required,
Anything required from your master?
more amount of chili powder is required.
Well, I will suggest my master that he go on for himself. He just go and taste it by himself
Oh
because he's preparing.
We'll ask them the guest from
Okay,
what
yeah,
is your opinion? Why can't you have?
Check it.
And just tell me.
Tell me how it is,
required or something.
anything.
उसमें सिर्फ इतना निकाल ही रहा है.
Yeah, that's good.
It's good. Okay.
Required,
Anything is required, Mr. Guest? No,
Jay
it's
is in your
good.
room. Jay is in your room. So basically, what you got from here is that we were so busy, and Jay got distracted from the stuffs.
Okay.
So he ran away from the room.
Oh, he
That's
mean.
why I'm coming, man.
Oh, did he complain that we are disturbing him?
No.
Okay, then no problem.
He says you are preparing
Actually,
something
everything
else.
is fine.
That's why I'm
We
coming.
should add a little bit of this one.
Mango.
Man is prepared. Better start eating now. It's prepared. He want to make us feel, so that we can't give the exam day after tomorrow.
Oh, certain mirchi. Do you mean mirchi?
Yeah, mirchi thing.
Okay.
The mirchi factor.
Mirchi factor.
The mirchi factor.
Oh, okay. And Mr. Ravindraji, all the way you came from Punjab to eat the sattu. So, what is your opinion about the sattu?
After eating, I will say, sorry.
Surely. Okay. So, audience have seen how to prepare sattu from the master chef Mr. Abhishek Tripani,
let me
all
give
the way from the
let me give
Kolkata.
you a quick
A review of
review
how the
of the
preparation,
First
Mr.
you need to
Assistant.
take an amount of sattu
Okay.
depending upon how many people are going to eat it.
Okay.
So, and then in the same area you want to grill some onion
Okay.
depending upon the amount of sattu you are taking.
Okay.
You need some achar pickles.
Okay.
In Hindi we say
Mike is
achar.
eating, huh?
And you need some what I can say. If you like to have some spice or some chili thing, you
Okay.
can also
Can
go for green chili. But here we are not using green chili.
Oh no. Okay.
Not, it's not
you
viable.
can, you can also use lahsun. What we say in Hindi, lahsun.
Please. Lazun means what do you mean, Mr. Sipani? Any English words has been there for lazun?
Maybe coriander.
Lasun.
Huh?
Lasun is something like
Spicy?
It's
white
masala
color,
basically. It's Indian masala. So
Oh,
what
masala for
Yeah.
give traditional taste.
So what I was telling you about the
Now-
food review.
See,
Beta, I will give you
final
the review next time.
No, it just completed. I had added some nimbu.
Yeah. So add some limbu.
Please,
fresh
come here,
lime,
Mr.
fresh
Master.
lime,
This type
and
of
then
limbu.
pour
Mr.
some a
Customer.
little bit of water
Ah.
and always make that sure that it doesn't get paste.
Okay.
That's
Lemon is
it.
coming out.
That's it for the day.
That's
This
it.
was the- this was the
So
dish.
finally the dish has been prepared. I'll take a look for the dish. Dish, please. Mr. Sipani, dish.
yeah.
Cut into paste.
Happy birthday.
So it's a time for everyone to see how these guys are eating their stuff, how sadhu is being prepared and they are eating it. And it's Satish again for the show from Abhishek Sipani TV. And guys, watch it and prepare it. Thank you. Bye.
Satish, you are